What's going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading. Going to give you a good show today. Nice update. New show times. Can't do a show at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9:30. Too much dust in the air. Markets are wild. I live streamed the other day. Markets were terrible. Got punished. Felt I had a trade because I was on a live stream. My ideal time to trade is 10 o'clock. So I did that today, traded amazing. Yesterday, same thing, traded great. Didn't have that downturn. And let's head over to the market and check it on out. Bam. All righty. A lot of platforms running here. We have the DOS Trader Pro, which is showing the level 2 on SQQ right here, expecting it to go into 80, and then I'm going to enter in a trade. And we have the P&L for today on the Ninja Trader, trading the Nasdaq futures. I have the DOM and the chart right here, ready to rock and roll. And yeah, so we're going to move this over a little bit. And it's at 78. I think I'm ready. Here we go. You ready? Pressing it once. In 1 micro. See if it goes towards 23,200, which is 1877. It seems to love that number. And yeah, it loves that number. Back to 80. Not expecting much. Let's go for down here on that 1830. See him sitting there, 1830. That's $11. And oh, it's right on 23,185. Stick them right there. And we'll pull this baby down. So let's go over, and we're doing giveaways today right off the bat. So who's here in the beginning? Let's take a look. I'm putting this over here. Hey, what's going on, Dave and Christian and Brad? Looks like you guys are going to get some giveaways today. 81. They're about to take my trade. There it goes. Look. Went right up to it and stopped. Here it comes again. So it went like right to 11 bucks, not 11.50. So I'll put it at 11. And there it is, done. Yes, sir. That's how it works. Nothing big. That's how I do it. That's how I made all that moolah jula here today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 2 is $24,000 for a day. I'll take that. It's my new mantra. 20 G's a day is the Mojo way. Switch that baby. Watch. Ding, ding, ding in the Mojo. 79. I think it's going to do a move above this thing. They're all watching it to go above 23,200, which is 1877. So you just got to wait. There's like no trade. Why should I go short here when I know it's going to make a green bar higher and then I can get short and win? It's all about timing. Within the same hour, I'm a winner on a trade. You're a loser on the trade because maybe where you entered. I was in it for 15 minutes. You were in it for 45 minutes. Oh, I won, you lost, or the other way around. Let's wait for that to go to 23,200. It's a 23,194. I like these big plastic tees. These are the best. Very durable. Max Fly tees. I like them babies. All right, it's firming up around here. Let's see what my swings are doing. Then we'll do a giveaway. So far, right here, we have from this morning, ABVX at 66.15. Same thing, been to 69, done nothing, gone. ASTI, up 20 bucks on that one. That's a Mojo swing pick because it has, I'll show you, share my swing research with you. Here it is. So this Sunday, I sent out the swing newsletter, guys. Take a look. So here's the Mojo Picky Picks. For Sunday, July 20th. Look, NAOV at $1. The stock has 44% of the float short, NAOV. Look, it's right down here. It's at 93 cents. 93 cents to go way over $1. My target is $1.50 plus. 44% of the whole float is short. Then you have IBRX at 275 in that range. IBRX is 290 now, moving up on 3 million shares in a rail grind. Look at this daily chart, going to pop like a chomp rock right above that $3. Next time you hear from me, should be like $5. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying right there? Next one is, and this one is 83% of the float is short.
Awesomeness. Oh yeah, pour it on that awesome sauce.
83% of the entire company they bet and is short. They're going to cover that shit. It's going to rock it like a pocket rocket. Then you got INMB, 55% short at 242 to go over 3. INMB. Right here. It's up 41 cents, 20% at 285. Breaking out. Look at that daily chart right there. OMG, Mojo, you're good. You're good. To be in the swing newsletter, I got a special. I'll give it to you in a minute. For $49. It's regularly $149 a month. My average member has been in the newsletter for 8 years because I perform week after week, just like this. Here's the newsletter again. So that one's amazing. Already at 3. 55% of the float is short. ASTI made a move the other day, but it's got a bigger float. 36% short. It's still at the 210 range. And then take a look at this baby. Kirkland's at $1.20. You know the store Kirkland's, right? At $1.20. Told you should have bought it. Look, Kirkland's is $2. Went to $2.26. Look at this breakout in 3 days for the Mosh.
So much awesome. It couldn't be awesomer. Do yourself a favor. Press it again. That's awesome.
Ain't that good? That's the Swing Trade newsletter, dudes. Right there. $149 a month. I give it to you for $49. Comes out every Sunday for 4 Sundays. You put $500 into every one of those picks, $1,000 into every one, $10,000 into every one. This is what you'll hit. Look here. Look at the screen. Cost basis is look. Let's go to configure average cost up. Put it right next to the last price. So the average on ASTI is 211. It's 214. Okay. This one, let me see what I bought this morning. HTOO. Let me see the gainers list here. This is from this morning to see if it would continue. HTOO or from yesterday. So Kirkland's is right here at $1.76. Lucid 306. Another good one. This is from today. Let's get rid of that one. TDTH 40. All the ones that have under 100 shares are all Already old timers by now. Picked at 50 cents, added up to $1.13. It's 205. Get rid of some of that. S-bet, I got just a little bit left at 15. Is it 25? Was it 39 the other day? 40 bucks. Rocket Labs was 51. Got it at 33.91. Plug picked at $1. Yesterday was $1.8890. Today it's $1.80. NUWE Nuelis at 26 cents is 13.39. Done on that. This is the new one, NAOV. Short this one. I think this is the one with the big float short. It's going to pop and go over $1. Guy's sitting there at 95 cents. Litecoin already sold at 11.50 right here, 11.30. It's a good buy again. Litecoin, could buy some of that back here under 10. Roch, boom, boom, boom. There you go. Add that sucker. Then you got Kirkland IXHL at 19 cents is 94 cents. Look at that rocket ship. OMG, that's a good one. That one right there. And then IVF, this was the other day, up at 424. Is it 269? Probably make a rebound. Add some of those for a couple of days from now. INSM at 88 to 102. INMB, new one. This is the swing pick from Sunday. IBRX, 274 to 290. Half of that one gone. HUBC, only 48 left. 204 to 413. Half of that one gone. Oh, this is a H2OO or HTQ Fusion Green. And buy some of them for a rebound. Bitcoin 93. Fuel Cell at 540 at 6. I think this one breaks out and goes above 630 into $8. I'm going to add another one of those. Ethereum 29 back under 30. I'm going to add that too. Going to go back over 30. DNUT, I don't know. A Krispy Kreme, that was from this morning. Maybe something's going on, a buyout or something. I'll just add on to that one to like 5,000. And ASTI, add another 1,000. There you go. It's a good model right there, boys. The Dash Trader Pro. Loving it. That's the Ken Slim system, all those Ken Slimmy stocks. You know? And let me get rid of that. Let me go smaller. There we go. And SQQ, what's it at? 77? I told you, now it's time for a trade. Watch. So we're going to go here. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Put one down here. One down here. And when they come for that, I'm going to add into it. I'm adding into it. Watch. Add right into it. And I got 4. Took one. Took another one. I have 2 left. Put one right there. Take that one. Take that one. Take that one. Took that one. 1 left. 1 left. Let me just make sure. Yep, 1 left. I'm all above 2,000 now, which is my goal on the day. So I shut this right off. I go for a beautiful lunch today. Mojo hit the 2 mark. Mojo hit the 2 mark. Told you. Patient. Right off 77. Yeah, I told you. My chat room. Well, let's do a giveaway now because of that shit. I'm going to do a Twitter giveaway, and I'm going to do a for Prop Shop, my favorite firm. Prop Shop Trader. They got 90% off right now. For anybody that doesn't win this giveaway, you have a $147 account. That's $14.70 with the Mojo code. I mean, come on, guys. Get started right there with the Warrior. Right there. The Warrior. Warrior accounts. Trade them for 5 days, which is nice. You don't have to push it. They only allow you a certain amount of resets anyway. So you can't just reset. You got to be smart about it. And you take the warrior phase, then you jump to the gladiator phase. And that's it, man. Prove yourself as a warrior, become a gladiator. And then you go real prop after you get some payouts. Get some payouts. They got a 50K, 100K, a 250, and a 500. This 50K right there, I'm going to give away one right now on my Twitter first. Right here. So we go right here, the Mojo Day. It's a Mojo Day. And here's anybody who retweeted this link and followed Prop Shop Trader right here. Go ahead, give them a like. Watch, Mojo's going to close all the positions in one swoop. You ready? Watch. Ready? Watch. Flatten everything. Boom. Done. One little straggler left open. Let me see what number that is. That's number 4. That's number 4. That's it, boys. See how I made 2 jabonis? That one was what number is still open? It's not doing it. There we go. Closed. Cool. So this prop shop, I'm going to give away one right now. Congrats to Amy Diamonds. You've won the draw this week at the prop shop poll. Both of you will get $100,000. Where is it? I didn't see that. Come on now. Where's what poll? This poll. I didn't see that, dude. 59 votes. You could have got a free thingy. So go ahead and like them and do my turn on notifications. Give them a like. You'll win. You have a good chance now before they get up big. Total payouts, $298,000 in the week of July 18th. This firm, send them a support ticket. They'll send you an answer right back. I spoke to them. They're a real broker. It's a real broker, real deal people. It's not one person, a kid and his dad. It's a real team and real experienced people that set this shit up right to win, never to fail. Go ahead and use that Mojo code and get yourself a damn account. What's this baby at? 77 again. I'm in. 1. See the signal at 79, the 1064, the rebate? He's sitting there for a rebate. Eventually it'll go through him. See him? 1239, sitting there on the ask. All right, so let's do a giveaway. Let's get on this baby. So here is my Twitter and the link. Who's going to win today? I'm going to give away one. One on here, one on YouTube right now. So let's go applications, Twitter giveaway. Enter the tweet. I want to do likes today. Yesterday I did retweets. It's working. It's heading back over 77. Told you. Look, headed toward the 79. Hope you're in. So this is a 50K prop shop trader giveaway. We're going to do one person and one substitute just in case the person from yesterday wins. And we're going to 129 people in it today. Let's go. Wait for the trade to move. Josh Paul Schlival. Yes, sir. And Kevin Songas came in second. Nice job. So let's get him on there. And his certificate, Josh Paul Schlival. Let's search him. Here he is. He won. All right, where is he? Here he is. You won. There you go. Where's his certificate? Here it is. Done. I sent you DM to collect. What's his name again? Jamal Shmal. I just posted. All right, next one is the Twitter, is YouTube. YouTube giveaway. So let's head on over to the streamer. Copy video. Start. All right, load. 32 comments. Here we go. Continue. This is the 50K prop. I'm giving away two. Two for watching me on out of 5 people. Start. Done. And as we wait for profits right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 off the table, taking 3 more off the table. I should be at 2,050. Yeah, hold on. Let me give you winners. Christian Press, Mr. Winner, and Mr. Dave M. Roz is winner. Nicely done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done. Copy. Pays to follow the Moj. Adding another one. Winners. DM to collect. Nice job. And I'm up right here. Get one off. Let's see what I'm totally up. Should be on accounts. Here it is. Oh, it's only on one. What the fuck? Look, it's only copying one. Unbelievable. So I wasn't looking. I was doing these fucking posts. Costed me some cha-ching. All right, there we go. Still above 2,000 on all of them. I told you about 2,030. I'm back in one to play up into the hinds. To play up into the hinds. Let's see if the copier works fine this time. Good job, Dave. Good job, Christian. Nice. And you got some badges. Good job, Andrew. Let's go. So what else can I show you now? Now that I gave you the prop shop, let's take a look. They have, once you're a member, you have to join the community. Check it out. So it's 80. So here's the community right here. You see? And it's got like, you start right here. And they have education and strategies, indicators and risk, all this things you can go through. And some postings in there. I haven't done none of that yet. I've only done some live postings. Let me see where I've done it. Top posts. I did a post. Some of these guys are just very active. Here I am, live streaming my recap. My first live stream, the markets gave me zero love out of the gate. I saved a nice one with 4Gs though. That was one. Here, show more. I think I did one more. There's another one, live futures trading, 3 million in capital, 500K earn. I've had 132 payouts since my time doing this. 106 with Apex. Soon to be matched with this firm. Many with Lilo, Bull Knox, Take Profit Trader, all them good ones. So let's go start here. Layouts and themes, desktop layout, workspaces, templates, close and flip algo strategy. Everyone's got their stuff. Everyone's got their stuff. Got to give it a like though. See, when you do stuff and I give that like a like that, and I come down and like give this one a like, and like this, just like them, you know what I'm saying? You come to start here, leaderboard, and the Tick Blaze is an engagement program. Their dynamic community earns points for contributions. Share posts to reply to discussions, react to content, and climb the leaderboard and compete for amazing rewards. Monthly prizes include $2,500 for the top spot, while the annual grand prize is a luxury trip for two to exotic destination. Some of these guys, just to create a post is 2, react to a post is 1, reply to a post is 2. See? To qualify, you must make at least 5 educational, share 10 live trades, do this and then do that, and then you're on leaderboard. Look, this guy's got 12. I'm not even close. I just started. I'm at 38. But some of these guys have been doing it. So over time, I'm going to climb the leaderboard. Not going to. These guys are going on trips. This guy Donnelly is way up there. He's probably been, I don't know how long he's been a trader for the company or for himself. He's been a member since April. He has a badge. I don't know what these badges are. Oh, here. Doesn't show. Okay. So yeah, that's what you got to do. Live prop firms and funding. This is your place for everything from passing evaluations, getting and staying funded, prop firm reviews. A lot of stuff to go through, man. This is like part-time. Some people could spend full-time. I spend part-time. So yeah, that's the members area for the Tick Blaze, it's called. And that's what people trade on Tick Blaze. I trade on RT Trader Pro. I could use Tick Blaze, but just don't like it. And it's only reason because it's the same machine. I just win on one machine and lose on another machine. So I'll just stick to the machine I win on. All right, I'm up $3. See if we can secure a nice move over $2,000. That'll be right here. Let's go 87 and 89 for 2 of them. Here it comes. All right, so that's that. That's pretty cool. Congratulations, guys, to you winners. Better contact me to get your fucking prize. Better contact me to get your prize. Back at 77. We're going to go to 75. Look at the 1 minute. Maybe. See, but I'm not risking nothing. $2,000, it's only down $30. Big fucking deal. Do I have that thing up there? Let me take a look. I don't think I do. Oh yeah, the thing's over, so I think I had a 90% on me. Take that shit down. Cool. Going to 75. I'll take 3. 1. Let me do it as a market order. 1, 2. And I'm going to break out of half of them right at break even. I got 7. I got 8. So let's come down here and go 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right there at break even. See them? And that's at 23,200. So that's right at 77. So here it comes right now. Here it is. Watch. They're going to take them. There it is. So I'll put 2 there and I'll put 2 right there. I have 8. I'll go 10, 9. 9. I'll go 10. See, it's above 23,200. Here's break even right at 23,200. See it? So I'm going to move them up right on 23,200. I'm going to put a pawn right here at 22,203 and see if they take them. See, it's like playing ace 6, and there's 3 other players against you. He's got pocket jacks. He's got ace 10, and the other guy's playing another hand, dude. It's like, dude, don't risk a lot of money on the fucking hand. You're wrong. You're in the hand, but you're wrong. So limit it and get out of it and play another hand. Dealer, give me 2 more cards, please. I'm adding 3. I'm at 15. So watch. Here's 6, here's 5, and here's 4, and here's 7 pawns. In a loss, looking to break even on the trade. Here's that one. Take it. I'll throw out another pawn. Whatever they take, I'll buy back. I'm putting this one here. Up to 8. How many I got? 5, adding 3. 1, 2, 3. And there they come for it right there. Boom. Took that one. Took that one. The rest are coming up here. Moving him down. Done. Now I'm in the green. 15 left. Boom. Taking them right there. Take it right there. Take that one right there. Take them again. Done. 4 of them sitting right there. Done. Right back to 2,000. Great job, Mojo. That's how you do it. That's not high frequency trading. That's not gambling. Now, some of the firms are going to say that's gambling because I went bigger than my trade earlier. But it's not. It's strategic play. I was at the tables. I played ace-6. I folded it. Got into another hand. The dealer dealed me fucking pocket aces, and I just won it all back. It's not gambling. I was playing at the table, man. Some people say you're a gambler. You're in the casino. I was not gambling. I knew ace-6. I knew what the other 3 players had. I was Daniel Negreanu, man. How can you say when I've traded 9 days in a row perfect without any losing trades like I'm doing that I'm a gambler? I haven't had one losing day or trade in 9 days. But yet you have the balls to deny somebody and say they're a gambler. It's fucking utterly ridiculous. Or I high frequency traded there. Look, I'm coming out of them too early. Give me a break. I'm at 2100 hundo right now. I turned that losing damn trade to a winner from break even.
Truly awesome.
These firms got to get a grip and see what the traders are doing. The traders are sitting here. It's their livelihood. They freaking live and die by this shit and sweating bullets. And then you put in a payout request and you got to go through the same agita, stress and nightmare that you're in the principal's office and you're not going to fucking get kicked out of school when you're in there and you should be getting praised. So these firms better get a goddamn grip. Back to 77 and 23,200. Told you. Taking another one off. Market order. Done. Got one left. Switch that 2 to a 1 right there. There you go. Right back to 2,000 on the day. Now, if I was trading minis, could have gave a lot of that shit back. But I don't trade the minis. Trade the micros. Normally 10, 20, or 30 on a 250 account. If I have to go more to save myself, it's not fucking inconsistent contract sizing. It's a one-off, man. It's if I decided to stay in the fucking hand, I had 12 cards that could hit, and I fucking hit my flush. I hit an upside down straight. I got lucky. Why should I get penalized for going for it? But if I lost, sure, the fucking casino takes that money. Sure, the firm loves to take that money. Go reset and do it again. But you win, they're like, oh shit, look, what the fuck did he do? Hibby fucking jibby. Don't want no fucking hibby jibby. Just fucking pay me. Right, boys? Right, Panda?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just fucking pay me. There's a guy, Kellyanne. She interviewed this guy from Top One Futures. He got denied a fucking payout because he was under the 10-second rule. On one day on one trade. Same thing as me. I was up $7,000 with Top One Futures. Top one, and 3,000 on a 50K account. The other was a 150. I put in for a payout request and they denied me. They said one trade, two trade. One was right at 10 seconds. The other was like 7 seconds. You're done. That's it. Denied. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? And you want me to tell everybody how good you guys are? Fuck you. Top One Futures is the biggest scam fucking ever. Look, this guy just got by. I saw it on Kellyanne's shit. Look, Kellyanne. Futures trading with Kellyanne. This guy, this Chinese guy. Payout requests for Top One. See? Sketchy. Sketchy. This guy right here. Right here, this guy. Top One denies his fucking payout. Adding. I'm putting one up here at 17. See this guy right here. Same thing. Fucking denied. Because of a goddamn shenanigans.
That you trade with them. I know some people don't listen. Try it anyway.
This is her.
What happened to this trader?
To be penalized for making 10 plus points quickly is highly unfair. May I please speak to someone about this? No one responded.
Prop Shop paid him. Top One denied him. You know, you definitely
See, Prop Shop paid him. Top One denied him.
You know, I always tell you guys.
Dude, he got fucking denied because he made, I said the same thing. I'm like, dude, I'm trading the Nasdaq fucking futures. You kidding me? That shit fucking to save myself, to get break even or out of a goddamn trade. You got one shot, dude. What am I, one count? They got me counting to 10 fucking seconds, dude. They got me counting to fucking 10 seconds. Putting this thing in at 4. Fucking unreal. Unreal, isn't it? See, dudes, since I've been on here, I made $100, but it's on 12. That's $1,200. You haven't made $1,200 freaking in a week. Takes you 3 days at your 9 to fucking 5 job to do what I'm doing right here.
Hey, Mike, what firm was that? You got to count 10 seconds, being up a trade for 10 seconds?
Yep, Top One Futures, boss.
Ugh.
You want to see the letter? Want to see the letter I wrote to him?
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Fucking want to see the letter that I wrote to them, dude? Denying my $7,000 payout. And I sent them another letter, and they don't even answer me now. Biggest fucking scam ever. Look. And then I get an email like this from them, and the headline says, "Dear Michael, you're being lied to." I'm like, and it's like a promotional email. I'm like, you motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm being lied to by your fucking ass. Here we go. You ready? Final opportunity. You fucking motherfuckers. Look at this shit. On Sunday, May 18th, I'm reaching out with deep frustration. Top One Futures team. Cameron at Top One Futures. And you bitches over there. I'm reaching out with deep frustration and disappointment regarding the denial of my $5,000 payout request on my $150,000 funded account. I traded legitimately for 32 consecutive days, investing my time, skill, and discipline to grow the account to over $7,000 in profit. Your denial was based on a 10-second rule, a policy that is not clearly displayed, not standard across the industry, and completely impractical for a trader in a fast-moving market like the Nasdaq NQ futures. As you know, NQ moves with high volatility at speed. A 10-second hold time can be the difference between a solid gain and a significant loss. Forcing traders to sit in losing positions to justify and satisfy an arbitrary time requirement is counterproductive and dangerous. Let me be clear. I am not a bot, nor was I exploiting any loopholes. I trade clean, consistent, and within your published guidelines. Of the 32 days I traded, only a few trades across 3 days were under 10 seconds. Yet the entire payout was denied. The rule was never shown to me in advance. It's not in your dashboard, and I was only presented it after I made a payout request. This is not transparency, it's entrapment. Other leading firms in the industry don't penalize traders in this way. The rule, what I'm asking for is to rectify and show your support to real traders, not policies. I'm asking you to honor my $5,000 payout. Restore my PA account to the 157 balance it had on the day the payout was requested. Revisit the 10-second rule, which is hurting good traders and your brand. This is your chance to do the right thing. If you stand behind fairness and want to build a firm with long-term integrity, this is the moment to show it. If you choose not to act, I'll share my full experience factually and publicly. I have documentation, video evidence, and credibility in the space. I'll continue producing content to warn other traders so they don't go through what I did. Okay? I'll also be contacting your affiliate partners and industry contacts to inform them of this policy and its consequences. But I prefer a different outcome, and I want to help your firm better stand behind a firm that makes it right by the traders. Let's make it right for me, for your community, and for your future reputation. The choice is yours. I look forward for your response. And they said, fuck you. What do you think about
Yeah.
that? What do you think about that? Huh?
I think they're fucking idiots.
Fucking idiots, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now I did any better.
Yeah. Here's the thing right here. Look. Right here, active. $157,069. See that? They said right here is my trade log. This trade has been rejected because it was held for less than 10 seconds. Precious at top one, if you're dealing with her, they're all scams. They're all scams.
I don't get why they couldn't just reject the profit from that one trade instead of rejecting it from all of them.
Because they're a scam.
Yeah.
I got 4. I got 5. 1, 2, 3 right off in the beginning. Hold the rest. So yeah, that's the fucking scam. So, I test them out. I see what they do. They don't answer. They have shitty support. I make everyone aware. They had never answered me. They have shitty support. Now flip the prop shop. Fucking on the ball. Support right there. They do everything for the trader. And trader first, them second. Yeah, and that's the way it's supposed to be. And they'll be lasting a fucking long time. There you go. 2 left. Done for the day. 1 left. Watch, I'm going to put a stop in. I come up here to 0 break even, and I press the middle mouse button down, and it puts a pink stop right at break even. I shut this off. I can go walk away for the entire day. It's either getting stopped out or going and going and going, and I can make $100 on that one little micro. You see how I trade? It's not gambling. It's not high frequency trading. It's not DCAing. It's stripped system beautifully watching SQQ as a leading indicator and the size on the bids and the ask, where it's going for rebates, calculating stopping stations, playing great hands. Every hand is not ace-ace. I win on ace-jack, ace-10, ace-9. I can win on pocket 5s. It's not fucking uniform, black and white. Every trade's damn different. Every trade I can fucking walk the path of shame. I'm taking the fucking risk. I'm folding, I'm holding. I'm holding, I'm folding. There you go. You want a video on how I trade? There you go. Everybody should live stream so they can all make a video on how they trade. So when the firms ask, they say, there you go. Right? So if you didn't win with the prop shop, go there, use your goddamn phone, and get 90% off. Go grab an account for $14 and come trade with me in the Mojo chat room. There's the chat room. You'll fill out an application. I'll say, hello, my name's Mike. Who the hell are you? And if you answer me back, I'll let you in and you can trade with me. There you go. Go for it. There's my Discord. You'll fill out an application when you come on in. Yeah, it's great shit. So I got to stop on that sucker. I can let that baby run. I can let that baby run. I call it PST, prop shop trader. That's what I call it, prop shop. Get it in the prop shop. Get it in the prop shop. You open up my prop shop. I trade off the RT Trader Pro. I could trade off Tick Blaze, but I'm just a master with the RT Trader Pro. I just am. Look at my dashboard. All right, so here's what I did for the day. I didn't trade them all, but I'm, got it going on. So PST Let me show you. So here's the dashboard. Let me just show you what to do. Let me get it right over this. So it's right about here. Oh, it doesn't come out of the window. Where is it? It's on my YouTube. How? Oh, it's on my channel. Right here. Stop loss rhythmic. Right here. See this video? How? So check it out. That's the video. I'll put it in the chat room too, in the Discord. So that's that video. Kellyanne, Trades by Kellyanne, and she's the one that does the reviews and has a list of all sites that are scams and shit like that. Yeah, that's what she does. But yeah, so let's see what we got going on. Oh, did I show you Kirkland's? I did 39% short at $1.20, $2. Yeah. Dude, there's the fucking master swing portfolio. Love it. Love it. See, I like live streaming now. Everyone does it 9 to 11. I'm doing it from 10:30 to 12. Streaming easy. Let's see what I've done for the day on my prop shop. Not too bad. So the RT Trader Pro has a dashboard that has a performance tab. I didn't trade all the accounts, but I traded some. Made 1,855. So prop shop trader right here, I made 732, 714, and 409. That's a good day. What is that? 1,855, 289 in commissions. Net P&L's 1,566. I made 241 trades, 165 winners and 75 losers for a 68% win rate and a 31% lose rate. And hey, I made money. Didn't copy trade them suckers. I love it. I love trading. And if you do too, you'll come trade with the Mojo. So guys, everyone have a great day. Keep it profitable. And I'll see you on the next show. We'll do one tomorrow and I'll do some more giveaways. Giveaways every goddamn day. So go tell your friends. Give me a like and a subscribe. Go tell your friends. Go to my channel. Let's see what I can do to end it right here. How about this? Reduce that. Come here and go. Get rid of that. And go like this. You ready? Sharks.